feel grateful to share a couple more Add-on Mart updates. And so we've been pretty busy over the last few weeks and months. So for those of you that are familiar with Add-on Mart, we've published a few additional modules there that you can use. One is a REST API for charging. So you can think of, obviously, REST API you are most likely familiar with, but you can now have a REST API wrapper around radius or diameter. So if you're building applications and you don't want to have to deal with radius or diameter directly, we do have a wrapper that gives you a nice REST API to get access to Porter Billings, radius and diameter charging engine. We also have for those of you that want to further customize your invoices that you create with Porter Billing, we now have the ability to use external services to design those invoices. And we initially used a service called CraftMyPDF for that. We also have a speech to text for call recording using OpenAI's Whisper engine. So for those of you that would like to have the call recordings converted to text and make that available to customers, that's now also possible with an additional module. And I'm also quite excited to onboard 2 new partners to our PorterOne partner ecosystem. One is CloudFon, that have a very capable omnichannel customer experience platform, customer CX platform. And PressOne, we're going to do a dedicated announcement and YouTube clip also about their capabilities. We collaborated on a CRM dialer, so basically having your brand on the HubSpot or Zoho marketplace, and have a dialer there where your enterprise or SMB customers can use your dialer in Zoho, in HubSpot directly to make inbound, outbound calls. So for more details, stay tuned. We'll announce more details soon and have a YouTube clip up on that also.